Welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so yesterday I shut down the Sambora Trading Community. So the Sambora Trading Community had been going for about 3 years and 2 months. So yesterday I shut it down. Things change, the environment changes, everything changes. So you have to move with the times. So no longer can you get into the Sambora Trading Community. It's finito, finished. Okay, so is what it is. We move on and we continue to drive forward. But the great news is I have an absolutely incredible opportunity for any trader out there to come and join an absolutely incredible, comprehensive trading academy. Yesterday I launched the Sambora Trading Academy. It's a completely different business model, guys, from what you've ever seen before. What are you going to get with this? It's an incredible, absolutely incredible delivery of educational material and copy and trades. Okay, so historically people join trading communities, they're given a course, they learn how to trade, like the mentor, etc., etc. Some people are successful, some people are not. This business model is truly ingenious. First of all, you don't have to pay a big lump sum to join my trading academy. It's a monthly subscription fee. So if you don't like it after 1 month, you leave and that's it. How much is it? Well, contact me to find out exactly how much it is. But what I can assure you is that you will probably spend more money on takeaway in 1 month than what you will joining my trading academy, the Sambora Trading Academy. So what do you get? First of all, you get access to my trading forum. Okay, so that's hosted on Discord. So it's basically a community where you can engage with other traders. There is also educational material there, so there's still a trading course that you can go through, which I do advise that you do. But the game changer, guys, is what else you get on top of that. Well, what else you get is you get access to my private intraday Telegram group, okay, where you get to copy my trades. Okay, so I tell you when I enter a trade and I tell you when I exit a trade. Okay, and at the end of each day, I give an overview of the performance for the day. Okay, so for example, today, overall, net we returned 50 points. And then at the end of the week, a similar kind of overview. So you can see every single day, every single week that this is completely transparent. You can see when I enter a trade, see when I exit a trade, and you'll see other people in the community or in the academy posting their results. Okay. What else do you get? You also get access to my private Telegram group where we host a swing trading portfolio. Okay, so as part of this package, you also get that. So as an overview, you get access to my community, my trading forum. You get access to my training material, my educational material. You get access to my intraday trading Telegram group. You also get access to my swing trading Telegram group. Okay, so it's an incredible opportunity, guys. And to be honest with you, you'd be nuts to not at least try it for 1 month. As I said, what it costs each month, you'll probably spend more on takeaway. So why not try it for 1 month? I guarantee you will not be disappointed. And I actually guarantee you, okay, so it's a money back guarantee for your first month, okay, and I'll break that down, okay, once you contact me and ask me for an overview of the details. The first month will be a money back guarantee. That's how confident that I am that I'm willing to offer that money back guarantee for the first month. That's how confident I am, because typically we take 50 points per day between the FTSE 100 and the Dow Jones, and that's consistent and it's transparent. Overall, we probably take about 250 points every single week. Okay, so you're talking about over 1,000 points every single month. Okay, that's an incredible return, right? And of course, guys, we take losses. Every trader takes losses, but what you will get with my signals, that's what it is. It's a signals group where you copy my trades. You get a take profit and you get a stop loss. Now, because of how I trade these days, I trade right on the edge of support and resistance. We can afford to apply a very tight stop loss. So for example, on the FTSE 100, our typical stop loss is 10 points and our typical take profit is 15 points. Again, we can do that because we're trading right on the edge of support and resistance. The Dow Jones, our typical stop loss is 10 points and our typical take profit is 20 points. So when you enter a trade on the FTSE 100 or the Dow Jones with me in my private Telegram group in the Sambora Trading Academy, you know that the most you're going to lose on each trade is 10 points for the FTSE and 10 points on the Dow Jones. Now, we can afford to hold that tight stop loss because the actual success rate is so incredible. It's just over 83%. So we can afford to take those losses and minimizing the risk. And my risk management has never been as tight as what it is now. But because of the way I have sculpted my trading now over the last 6 years, I can afford to have such a tight stop loss. So if you're interested in joining, guys, why not try for 1 month? As I said, I guarantee you will spend more money on takeaway in that month than you will joining my brand new trading academy, the Sambora Trading Academy. Give it a try for 1 month. What have you got to lose? It's not like a lot of trading communities where you've got to pay £200-300. You know, this is a 1 month, a 1 month kind of feel your way into it to see if you like it, and I guarantee you will like it because the results are incredible. And that's how confident I am, guys. That's how confident I am that I can deliver this in the way it is being delivered, because I know the results are absolutely incredible. And you will see that when you join. You will see the results of each trade. You will see the results every day. You will see the results every week. It's completely transparent. You know, there really is nothing else to say about this opportunity other than give it a shot. You'll not be disappointed. And I will see you guys very, very soon for more videos. If you're interested in knowing more about this amazing opportunity, guys, and it is an amazing opportunity, you can DM me on my Instagram, sambora.00, or you can email me, eduardosambora@yahoo.com. The game has changed. The game really has changed. Now you can actually copy my trades as soon as I enter and as soon as I exit, and you can see how consistent my trading is. There's nowhere to hide with this, guys. I tell you when I enter, I tell you when I exit, and the results are put into the Telegram group. So the results are there. It's completely transparent. Give it a shot. I guarantee you will not be disappointed. I see you guys again very soon for another video.